Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Huawei Y8P versus the Vivo V17, and the Vivo V17 is powered by Snapdragon 675 chipset with the 8 GB of RAM, while the Huawei Y8P is powered by Huawei Kirin 710F chipset with a 6 GB of RAM. And on the back we get a quad cameras on the back on the Vivo V17 compared to a triple cameras on the Huawei Y8P. So very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And logo came up first, little bit faster on the Vivo V17, followed by the Huawei Y8P. And both phones is running on Android 10. And also we have a FunTouch OS version 7 on the Vivo V17 compared to a EMUI version 10 on the Huawei Y8P. And you can see Vivo V17, it is faster when it comes to booting up, followed by the Huawei Y8P, and you can see about 1 or 2 second difference here between these two devices. And guys, both phones give you a OLED display. We have a full HD Super AMOLED display on the Vivo V17, and also we have a front facing camera inside this punch hole on the right hand side, which is also really small on this phone, while the Huawei Y8P give you a OLED display. And also we have a full HD resolution on this phone, and the front facing camera, it is here in this notch, and you can see. So now let's see the app's opening speed. And guys, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background. And we're gonna start off by basic stuff. We have phone dialer, and that is a little bit faster on the Huawei Y8P, followed by the Vivo V17. Now let's check out settings, and that is again a little bit faster on the Huawei Y8P, followed by the Vivo V17. Now let's see some more application. We have Amazon Shopping, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And you can see that Huawei Y8P, it is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the Vivo V17. Now let's see the scrolling. Feels absolutely smooth on both phones, no issue whatsoever. Now let's see some games application for checking out the performance difference between a Snapdragon 675 versus a Huawei Kirin 710F chipset inside the Huawei Y8P. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga, and let's see who is faster there. Seems like the Vivo V17, it is faster. Yes, it is way faster than the Huawei Y8P. Now let's see the Subway Surfer next game application, and you can see in the punch hole display, it looks absolutely incredible on the Vivo V17 compared to outdated notch on the Huawei Y8P. Vivo V17, it is again faster there. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and seems like the Vivo V17 is just a tiny bit faster there. Yes, I would say that it is just a tiny bit faster there than the Huawei Y8P, and you can see about half a second difference there between these two devices. Now let's check out Spotify, faster on the Huawei Y8P. Now let's see the Snapchat, and that is a little bit faster on the Huawei Y8P. And guys, we don't get any Google Play services on the Huawei Y8P. Now let's opening up the Twitter, and that is huge faster on the Huawei Y8P. Zech, and let's see who is faster there, and you can see that about the same on both phones, no difference there. Now let's see MyClock, and that is a little bit faster on the Vivo V17. Now let's opening up the calendar, and that was exactly the same on both phones. And last time I'm launching the cameras on both phones, default camera app, and faster on the Vivo V17, followed by the Huawei Y8P. And both phones give you a main 48 megapixel main sensor on the back. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I'm using default Huawei internet browser on the Huawei Y8P compared to a Vivo internet browser on the Vivo V17. We have wikipedia.org, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And you can see that the Huawei Y8P, it is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the Vivo V17. And the scrolling, it is really smooth on both phones, no issue whatsoever. Next on the list is the gssubmarina.com, and let's see who's faster there. And you can see that the Vivo V17, it is completely done, followed by the Huawei Y8P. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see it's really smooth on both phones, no issue whatsoever. Now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and we get 6 GB of RAM on the Huawei Y8P compared to a 8 GB of RAM on the Vivo V17, and also both phones is running on the latest software version. Phone dialer, no refresh. Let's see settings, Amazon shopping, let's see Candy Crush Saga, Subway Surfer, let's see Temper Run 2, Spotify, let's see Snapchat. Now let's see the Twitter, Zach, MyClock. Let's see the calendar. Last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see, and guys, overall I have to say that the app's opening speed, it is definitely a little bit faster on the Vivo V17 in system-based application as well as in game uploading time. But the RAM measurement, it is also really incredible on both these two devices. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Huawei Y8P versus the Vivo V17. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.